This 2023 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 27 Pack 10 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Giddings, Texas, 78942 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Giddings. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, Slideout, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunkhouse, couples coach, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.